Any woman can make her outfits better and elevate her style. It all starts with having clothes in your closet that A, you want to wear, and B, if you don't want to wear it, prune out the clothes that are unflattering or that you rarely wear. If your closet is made up of mostly items you enjoy wearing, and you remove the clothes that you haven't touched in years, it frees up not only space in your closet, but you will be looking into a closet of clothes that you know look good on you. So save the frumpy and unflattering fits for when you're doing housework or are on your period if you must keep these items. Making your outfits better and elevating your style does not mean you have to break the bank and go out and spend money. That's why I've started inside of your closet. With the right tips and tricks, you can achieve a pretty and polished or a high-end look without spending, or by spending on certain key items that help elevate your overall look. And if you're going to spend, I'd say the first tip would be to invest in timeless basics. These basics are a well-made jacket for winter, or a blazer that you can wear at an important meeting or event. Get a nice, crisp white shirt. Buy a pair of well-fitted jeans that flatter your behind at every angle, and get a great black dress shoe. Not every woman wants to wear skinny heels, so get it in the style that's comfortable for you. Basics are items that can be mixed and matched to create a variety of stylish outfits, and the overall effect is that they'll make your outfit look better. The second thing is important, and that is to pay attention to the fabric and fit of what you're wearing. A good fit is really half the battle. Someone can have an expensive item on, but doesn't look nearly as good as the person who has on something moderately priced, but it fits her body well. The fabric and the fit of your clothing will make a big difference in how you look. So opt for natural fabrics such as cotton, silk, and wool, which tend to look more luxurious than synthetic materials. Just make sure your clothing fits well and flatters your body shape. Buying clothes that fit you well is also important psychologically, because you'll then look and feel your best. Ill-fitting clothes that, it's also uncomfortable, and it's totally opposite in terms of not only how it looks, but when you wear clothes that fit you well, it enhances your confidence and your style. Clothes that fit also create a flattering silhouette. They accentuate your body's shape and proportions, highlight your best features, and it also downplays any areas you may be less confident about. And to me, this is important because they're also more comfortable. At least they should be. So you should be at ease throughout the day. And this just makes your attractiveness increase. Who wouldn't notice the woman who seems comfortable in her clothes and is looking good? A good fit also means that you've bought something that is value for your money and that you'll wear more often. The third thing is, make your outfits look better by choosing to wear some neutrals, even if you like lots of color. Neutral colors like black, white, gray, navy, and camel or tan are timeless. As I said, you can always add pops of color with accessories or mix it up by wearing solid colors on some days and neutrals on other days. And speaking of accessories, a few high-quality accessories such as a classic watch, a leather handbag, statement jewelry, these items tend to elevate even the simplest outfits. So opt for well-made items that will last long and that you can wear long term. I also think that Besides the long-term effect of certain clothes in terms of fit, you could also mix and match high-end pieces with budget-friendly finds to create a balanced look. For example, a pair of designer jeans or a pair of earrings or a designer handbag mixed with something more affordable. Or you could wear a statement necklace with a basic t-shirt. Mixing cheap and more expensive clothing together, or clothing and accessories, can create a stylish and balanced look that is both affordable and high-end, and allows for greater versatility in your wardrobe. So mixing up your clothes also means giving yourself more options without having to buy a whole new wardrobe. I have 2 more tips to making your outfits better. The first is that you must take care of your clothes. You're not throwing in any soap powder or detergent to wash your clothes or adding bleach to the laundry to stain your items. So read your labels and follow the care instructions on them. Get certain items dry cleaned or take extra care of it yourself. It might mean a little more time, but it'll save you money because you wouldn't have to run out and buy clothes as often, which will help preserve the quality and longevity of it also. Proper care also will help your clothes look newer for a longer period of time. You can do things like washing your clothes in cold water to prevent shrinking and fading, or air drying your clothes wherever possible to prevent damage from heat. And you can also store your clothes properly, whether you're hanging them up or you're folding them neatly. Lastly, no matter what you're wearing, confidence will make your outfit look better. This has to do with your body language. How you carry yourself in your outfit also adds to your overall presentation. So carry yourself with poise. People are not only checking out or noticing your outfit, they're noticing the woman in the outfit, and this has to do with confidence. So thanks for watching today's video. Remember to hit the like button so that I know what kind of content you're enjoying, and until the next video.